안녕! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make zucchini pancake, Hobag. In Korea, people enjoy pancakes made by pan-frying flour with egg-covered vegetables and meat and seafood. You can make Korean pancake using meat, zucchini, mushrooms, sweet potato, white fish, shrimp, and etc. The recipe is a little bit different depending on the ingredients. Especially zucchini pancake recipe is easy to follow, so I'm gonna show you how to enjoy zucchini pancake delicious and savory. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to make dipping sauce. In a bowl, put soy sauce, water, vinegar, and sesame seeds and mix well. Next, slice zucchini crosswise into 0.5 cm thick rounds. Season with salt lightly. And slice red pepper thinly. I'm going to use this as a garnish. And then beat egg as well in the bowl. Pat dry the seasoned zucchini with a paper towel to remove excess water. In a plastic bag, put sliced zucchini and Korean pancake powder. And shake it well. Heat frying pan over medium heat and add vegetable oil. And dip zucchini into beaten eggs to lightly coat. Put this on frying pan carefully and put red pepper on it. Pan fry slowly until golden brown on both sides. When it's done, drain on cooking paper. Move them to plate and serve with dipping sauce. This is so delicious. It's still hot and it's the best time to have this. Outside is crunch and inside is moist. And look at this, green, yellow, red colors are so harmonious. Today I made a zucchini pancake. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.